Hi there, Andrea here. And the message came. I just cut this beautiful piece of olive and it's a little bit rotted, has some ants, but I am planning to do something with it. If you have any ideas, please let me know. But I was trying to do drawer front for some small cabinets and probably it would go nice with some oak maybe or cherry. I don't know. What do you combine olive with? Please let me know in the comments so I can apply this well. Has some curly grain and some wild crazy colors. This is quite dry, but it's very heavy and hard piece of wood. I also dimension all of this wood and this little piece of black walnut, and I have some maple and some oak here. I'm gonna make a cabinet, actually a little jewelry box. Very simple construction with 3 drawers and some separations inside. Probably I will make few of these and make a giveaway on the Patreon, so keep an eye on that and I will let you know. This will be Patreon only giveaway. By supporting my channel you're already automatic in a giveaway. I will just let you know when I do the draw, and probably I will do the old style with the papers in the bowl, so I can choose your name there and it will be fair. See you next time. Oh yes. Just like new. Oops, tripod.